Hi, so today is 8/31/2021. So everything is choppy. It's month end, but overnight ECB said that they're thinking about tapering, and so that created this downdraft in the market. And after that, we haven't recovered. The only thing is, as usual, the stocks that are strong remain strong, and since Amazon had reversed and is strong, I sold my Amazon calls yesterday, so today I was thinking of another trade that I could do, and I wasn't. In the morning when I saw a lot of volume at Roku over here in the first 10 minutes, and it was taking out 360, 361 almost, so I got in thinking that it is gonna go, and so I missed the Amazon trade. Okay, Amazon, it dipped in the first 10 minutes, and after that it has seen nothing but going up, so I missed that. Then what did I think about? Okay, how do I think it can keep going higher? Now this is the 50-day, this is the 50 percent retracement. The gap is all the way here to 3570, which is more than 100 points away. So what I was thinking, that even if this not over here at around 3500 can be a pin, there is sold here, so 3500 can be a pin. And even if it tried to go here, so I did a $30 wide butterfly pinning at 3500, and even if if it came here and here, so this downtrend line is coming here at around 3520. We are looking at Friday, right? Friday 9/3. So this downtrend line is coming at around 3515. So that is the reason I tried to configure a $30 wide 3460, 3470, 3500 and 3530 for $2.50. So this is, if it pins at 3500, my $2.50 can become $30. That's all, but I don't know what's going to happen, so that's the reason it's more of a lotto trade. Then next, Tesla. Tesla, it is again challenging this downtrend line, and it has slowed down. So I got rid, when it popped to almost 739, 740, I got rid of my 745 calls. I still have a 745, 750 call spread, and I have a 780 call for next week. So let's see what happens to that. So today, very few trades. Roku was a 50% loss. Then I did CMG. CMG as of now is not working, but it is like, okay, when I was taking the trade, it was at around 1915 in the morning, and it still held, while the market was going down, it still held. So I thought that this 2000 can be a pin for the coming 17th expiration. So OPEX, okay, so that's the reason I was thinking that it can go, or even go beyond 2000 if it gets going. It went for 4 days, and then it has rested for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today is the 6th day, so I'm like, okay, 5 days of rest, it can get going. So I did a calendar, $2000 calendar. I sold 9/10 expiration because it is the long weekend one, it has a short week, and then bought the 9/17 2000, and I paid $4.80 for it. So these are the trades. Roku loss, CMG calendar is now, as of now, a loss, but it is not much. Then I'm looking at Amazon, has been working till now. Tesla has been working. Airbnb, again, not done anything wrong to get out of. It's still it is a small candle, small body candle. It is still above yesterday's high, um, I'm still holding it. It's 9:17 is the expiration for me, so I'm still holding it. The next trade that I have is IWM from yesterday. um, I think when it went here, I'm like, okay, it can get to this end, it can go from one end to the other end. So I'm looking at around 229, 230 area over here for it to at least test. So I have calls for it. Um, Now apps, I had done analysis for it, and it got added. In my analysis when I had done, I said that I'm looking for it to come here, okay, 42. But now that it has been added to the S&P mid cap, I don't know, has it changed? The entire direction needs to be seen. Okay, it has actually, there's one good thing that has happened here. It came down, test, tried to go up, fell apart, and now it has gapped up, and this gap up is holding. Not only that, it gapped up above this 61.8 retracement and above the 21 EMA. So the best thing that the bulls can wish for is it doesn't take out this gap. Okay, if this gap closes, then trade is off. But as long as we hold this 54, 54.50, 54.70 area and go higher, then it can definitely try and test this 65 area. Let's see on the weekly, what does it do? Yeah, see, there's so much congestion here. Even if it comes here, it's going to be stuck. Next week, all these moving averages are going to start catching up on, trying to pull it down. So, but this has definitely changed the momentum. Okay, it has definitely changed the momentum. Now this is going to be the line on the sand, this trend line. It cannot go below this trend line. As long as it is above this trend line, the bearish thesis is off for now. And actually it stopped at a good logical point. The only thing is that this was a better one. That's all. This was the target actually. So that's all today. I mean, tomorrow there should be some monthly flows coming in, so it should go towards Tesla and Amazon. Apple, is nothing wrong. It is an inside day, right? It touched the top of the channel, inside day, with the news that the iPhone may get delayed. So even with that, it is just an inside day, so it can easily pop. I mean, I'm still looking to probably, it is going to come to this 157 area. How much time does it take? That's a different issue. But before its next earnings, it should get to this 158 area. That's what I'm looking for. I'm not interested in doing any other. Cybersecurity has been running hot, so they all have, even PNW is right, at my target. So I'm going to just wait and see what crowd does. Okay, what crowd does. Let's see, where can it go? I'm just trying to figure out. Okay, let's see if I just change this one. It can go, this is 330 is definitely a target. So there are two confluences over here together. So 330 is going to be my target for crowd. Now does it do it on earnings or slowly goes there, needs to be seen. But yeah, I'm still looking for 330. So I mean, if somebody had to do a lotto trade, it's so much far ahead of its 8 day that I don't know. majority of the earnings have actually not worked, right? Gap ups have not happened this earning season. So that's one of the reasons. The only thing is, again, my ZS is also right at target. That's the reason I don't want to play any of these. Um, so I will wait for the earnings to play. That's it for today. It's a slow day. Thank you.